just about every day if I get home from school or if I'm on break, I'll work on this till I get home. Or unless I get home, till like I have to go to bed basically, most of the time. Anyways, I'm going to show you how loud those air horns are. They are... Oh crap, I gotta lift this up. Heavy hood. Hang on, I gotta set this down. There are the air horns. I have the other pair of them, like the ones that were originally on it, they're working pretty good. I'll show you those here in a minute. I'm gonna shut the hood and show you how loud it is. I'll set the camera a little ways away too. Hopefully you can see it. Yep, let's see how loud it is. It's pretty loud. Very, very loud. It's gonna make someone crap their pants. I'll show you the other air horns real quick. Let's see, where are they at? Where did I set them?